Here's Gensmo app. So pretty cool new viral app, personal AI stylist. So you can see it's getting in top charts in lifestyle. So pretty cool app. Snap and style, turn your moments into magic. Search for styling inspiration, snap your wardrobe, get outfit ideas, create your mood board in seconds, shuffle items, spark new looks, share a vibe. So AI fashion collage community app. So pretty cool. So if you want to explore some additional styles and if you want to have some fashion advice but you don't want to pay a lot of money for some stylist, so combine clothes, outfits easily. So this is an app you can try, and yeah, I tried it and it's quite cool. So especially for women. So this is how it looks like, kind of like Pinterest or Instagram. It's kind of, you just tap in here and you see all the items, and then there is a direct link to buy them in mostly in US app stores. And then so for example, I like this style. So summer brunch, elegance, minimalist, beige. So and then you just can okay, I like this style, but I want to be it in pink or something. And then you just enter in the prompt and this app tries to redesign it and find new items. And then it finds real items which you can buy in the store. So for example, it just finds this. And as you can see, this is a real item which you can find on Amazon. So it's not some illusional, outfit which you can't find anywhere. So, and then you just go and say, okay, I just wanted to make it a bit more minimalist, and you're just making it more minimalist. And then again, this app shows you real products. So it doesn't show you some non-existent items, but then yeah, you can just go to Amazon and buy it. And then there are some alternatives. So yeah, quite a trendy app. This one, pretty cool. And then you can just, okay, I wanna summer swimming man, for example. You can also add photos. You can shuffle it. You can create it yourself. And as you can see, I'm using it for free so far. So I didn't pay anything for this AI credits. I don't know how many prompts for free are here, but pretty cool deal. So then I just have this and it's okay, so here's some shorts, here's men's swim, and then here is some bag, some shades, quite interesting, some Casio men's watch, and some sun protect. So obviously it's not perfect, but at least you can see the ideas in here. It's quite fun. And then yeah, it just creates like that. So yeah, definitely nice suggestion with this Casio watch. Then you can have all these different variants. So quite interesting. So yeah, quite nice. Yeah, so that's the power of this app. Super easy to use. And then yeah, you have your history, you have preferences. You can delete your account. You can select preferences. And then you just select your gender. You select your skin tone, body type, age group, and then you just apply. And then you can reload it. I don't know why it suggests me some women outfit, but still it's mostly for women though, I guess. But yeah, quite cool. And then you can also create your own collage. So super cool app. The difference with this app and other apps, this is not just, some collage, this is real links to real items which you can buy right away, at least in US. So this is like the power feature, because there are a lot of AI collage apps, but here it's very nice that you can instantly buy it if you found something.